Yeah, that one's going to be a star. Halliday is going to sing Nightingale.